Your laptop's display isn't just another screen. It's a window to another world, capable of transporting you to realms of unbelievable imagination. With ROG Nebula displays, those worlds will be more lifelike and immersive than ever before. Every Nebula display is designed with speed in mind. The faster a liquid crystal can shift, the clearer each frame becomes in motion. The swift 3-millisecond response time on our Nebula displays ensures crystal clear action without blurring or ghosting. Blazing fast refresh rate of 120 Hz or more keep motion smooth and precise, while adaptive sync support eliminates the tearing and stuttering that can result from fluctuating frame rates in-game. And with a built-in muck switch pumping out as many frames as possible directly from the GPU, you'll never miss your moment in the heat of battle. Nebula displays are all able to cover 100% of the DCI-P3 color space, offering a striking range of colors that's more vivid and true to life than typical sRGB displays. Each Nebula display is also Pantone validated to ensure each color appears as the content creators intended. Our blue light reduction technology reduces eye strain, so you can game for hours. With 500 nits of brightness, Nebula displays let you see everything clearly, no matter your surroundings. But our Nebula HDR displays are truly special, offering a mind-blowing image that pops right off the screen. Our mini LED panel uses smaller LEDs than traditional displays, offering a large array of light with fine-grained control. 512 individual zones can dim down independently, so blacks look deeper and highlights look brighter and more detailed. With a peak brightness of 1100 nits, HDR movies and games have never looked this good. With a 100,000 to 1 contrast ratio, producing a vibrant image you have to see to believe. Our Nebula HDR engine raises the bar even further, refining the local dimming algorithm to reduce blooming and haloing, and reducing distracting flickering that can tire your eyes and affect motion clarity. Designed to be fast, bright, and vivid, ROG Nebula HDR and ROG Nebula Display will transform your gaming experience.